Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. I'm in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona with some of my good buddies for an amazing 3-day weekend of riding on these fantastic roads, scenery, and just overall having some great fun. We've got a magnificent lineup of motorcycles behind us. Today, I'm going to be riding my Aprilia RSV4 Factory Ultra Darky. Tomorrow I'm going to ride my M1000, and then Sunday I'm going to ride my beautiful Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. This is going to be a totally epic weekend. Keep watching. Guys, this video is sponsored by my good friends at Break Free Tech. On my Alpinestars Supertech R10 helmet, I'm going to be using the fantastic Break Free device, and it is really awesome because it has over 150 LED lights in this device, and it displays when it's connected to your helmet. The kit comes with 2 mounting brackets, so you can mount it on multiple helmets. Super easy to mount. Plug it in, put it on top, and just, there it is. And it has a built-in accelerometer, so it knows when you're slowing down or braking, and it applies those magnificent LED lights. Super fast USB-C charging on the bottom. On the top is the power button where you can cycle through various modes of how the light actually operates. I absolutely love my Break Free helmet brake light. Link is in the description, guys. Go ahead and pick one up. There's a lot of BMW M1000 RR machines here in this awesome group of people. That's our young friend Mike's 2025 S1000, Zach the Master Mechanic, built from the ashes. Joel's 2026. We put that bike in mind on the dyno at GP Performance and Tuning. This new era M1000 RR produced 8 more horsepower than mine. I think that's extremely impressive. This is our good buddy Johnny's from Long Island, New York. We got Bike Tyson's beautiful Busa right here. He recently put an extended swinging arm on this beast, and he's getting it ready and set up for some street smackdowns real soon. Uncle Brian's beautiful RSV4 Factory. We also put that on the dyno, but you never saw the footage because it produced so much horsepower that I was banned from posting it. We're not going to talk about that. We also have a beautiful Panigale V4. Look at this gorgeous SC Project exhaust, one of a kind, and it sounds absolutely amazing, guys. I'm going to intentionally try to ride behind this guy for a little bit so you can hear this magnificent roar of that beast. And then, of course, our good buddy Adam, the boss that fired me. I'm never going to let you live that up. He fired me, but guess what? He made it possible for us to be here right now, because now all I do is travel the world and bring my mates along with me. So thanks for firing me, buddy.
I got you.
I'm gonna get you back for that somehow. He's on his M1000. He just got this machine, and I picked it up from our good friends. What was that, Cross Country Cycle, New Jersey. Shout out to them. We're going to be having a future 650E meetup there next year. SC Project exhaust looks amazing. So guys, this is a beautiful resort that we are staying at, but look at the scenery. You know, this is just absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, and it's only going to get better. So I trailered some of the bikes out here. I had a trailer full of 8 bikes, and then Brian had his trailer full of 6 bikes, and then everyone else besides me and Brian got to fly in. And people flew in from filthy Cleveland, from New Jersey, from the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. It was really awesome. And this is just like an awesome vacation for these folks, because a lot of them really only get to ride their bikes in their hometowns and for a limited amount of time and whatnot, because everyone here is a working professional. We've got a mix of people. We've got an FBI agent, we've got business owners, multiple business owners, an insurance salesman, you know, we got the IT guy right here, Adam, IT executive, just lots of folks. And so now they're going to lead us on our first stop. Is always fuel. Once we get fueled up, we're going to hit the highway. Today's journey will take us to Tucson, Arizona, from Scottsdale, where we're going to visit a really awesome aviation museum and then get lunch and make our way back. And this is day 1. Day 2 is going to be at Go AZ Motorcycles for a 650E meetup. And then they're going to take us on a scenic ride. Day 3 is, I think we're riding to Sedona, places like that. So lots of fun riding. Lots of beautiful scenery. And I brought some of the best bikes for this trip. Alright, so we're in Arizona somewhere. Had to take a detour off the highway, headed to Tucson to the Aviation Museum, but this, look at this beautiful scenery. Out here in the middle of the desert. The air, guys, I don't know how to describe it, other than saying that it's very crisp. The humidity is low, it just feels great. It feels really great. And just having the exposure to these open roads where you can ride your machine somewhat close to its limits, it's just amazing. And to be doing this all with some of your closest buddies, icing on the cake. But I told you I would let you hear how our good buddy's bike sounds with that amazing exhaust. It's a treat to ride behind him. It's an absolute treat. The bike just sounds really nice with that SC Project exhaust. Jamil did a very good job with this SP. He also has an RSV4 factory, but he tends to ride that more than anything, and I can see why he enjoys it so much. Just the sounds of that exhaust. Nice. Buddy's had an issue, a car kind of rubbed against him or bumped him off the road or something happened, and he ended up breaking the shift rod or shift lever on his bike, so now he can't shift. So I don't know if we're going to be able to head over to the Aviation Museum or not. I guess first we have to assess his issue and see what's going on with him. Yeah, I see his problem. He's got no shift lever. He's got no shift lever.
He's a kid.
Yeah.
He's a take something that goes in that hole.
Right.
Like a bolt. How does that happen?
He gave it too much force. He tried to downshift real quick and he ripped it off with his force. We got a temporary fix for him. And Brian's bike went inside and they made a shift lever for him out of some scrap material. So now we can head on to our museum in Tucson. But I think before we do that, because now it's lunchtime. Whoa, it's 2 o'clock. It's past lunchtime. Looks like we're entering Tucson, Arizona. And I get to show you guys another United States city and its downtown skyscrapers and infrastructure and cool stuff that you know I like doing for you guys. This seems like a relatively small downtown area. Sort of reminds me of Akron, Ohio. And yet it appears to be very clean. And I love the mountains to my right. So I'm not sure at this point if we have time. Oh, there's mountains over there too. So this place, this Tucson, Arizona place, is surrounded by mountains. Beautiful scenery. And I bet they They have lots of nice places to hike and take your family and stuff like that here. But I think our first stop at this point is to get some lunch in our systems, because with our many fuel stops, the only thing that we've been snacking on is candy and beverages. But I hear they've got an exceptional place for tacos. Well, we had lunch at, what is that place called? Street Taco and Beef Company. It was pretty good. So our good buddy Chris is going to take us for a nice scenic ride. But look, you can already tell it's beautiful around here. Oh, he's in a car. He's got 4 wheels. I'm not even going to try to keep up with him. I'm just going to sit back and try to enjoy this beautiful scenery. Look at it. Look at all these mountains. Look at these cacti. And you're wondering, why am I making a big deal about this scenery? Well, that's because where I come from in filthy Cleveland, Ohio, it's flat. There are no mountains. There are no cacti. So this is new, engaging, and exciting for me to view. And I hope that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Marc Marquez Championship Edition that I'm using to film this amazing footage shows it as beautiful and radiant as it looks right now with me on this amazing machine. Because guys, this is amazing. This is beautiful. This is why we trailer our bikes 45 hours from home to see and experience this. It is well worth it. And I hope that you guys can travel with your machines as well to different places. Leave your comfort zone for a little bit and just enjoy nature, enjoy the United States, enjoy meeting, talking with, and engaging, having fun with other motorcyclists. Because that's truly what it's all about. It's not always about smackdowns, a little bit of sand in the road. Sometimes it's just about riding. Riding, having fun, and experiencing stuff. Oh, there's lots of sand and gravel on the road. This is not the time to be going super fast on this machine. As you see, there's no guardrails, no nothing. If you have an oopsie moment, it's going to be a bad oopsie moment. Look at that sand all in the middle of the road. Sand, by the way, not good for traction, not even with these awesome Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP4 tires. So we lost half the group. Half the guys wanted to get on the highway and take a boring route back, but we're taking a more scenic route. And if you look to the right when we get past these buildings, you're going to see some fantastic mountains and a beautiful sky and all that cool stuff. And this already is definitely worth taking this road instead of the boring arse highway, especially since we can't do any smackdowns out here. Look at those mountains, guys. They're beautiful.